Did you know that it's that day today?
I didn't know it was World Lizard Day, but a quick story though. In Florida, it's not where the chicken crossed the road, it's where the lizard crossed the road, because I just swerved around 2 iguanas the other day in Iona.
You did?
Yeah, they just ran across the road.
I just watch when I'm walking. I'm like, all right, this is your territory. I'll go around you. They're so cute though.
Yeah, the little ones, not the big ones, but it's okay. Take a look outside though tonight. Those storms moved on out. Humid conditions, partly cloudy, 76 degrees through the overnight hours for us. Take a look at the bus stop forecast tomorrow. I think okay at the bus stop in the morning hours there, 78 degrees. You get in the afternoon, that's when we'll be tracking those scattered showers and storms, so maybe just bring the jacket with you, the raincoat with you. You may need it later on in the day. In terms of temperatures though, tomorrow we are looking at upper 80s, low 90s in the forecast, very similar to what we saw out there today. Two reasons for this. One, the showers are starting a little bit earlier in the day. The second reason is winds coming off the Gulf. So we are looking at a little bit cooler temperatures because of that, more of a pronounced sea breeze tomorrow. But don't let that fool you. Looking at those, feels like temperatures still going to be into the mid 90s into the afternoon hour, especially after those storms push on further inland. Speaking of those storms pushing inland, I do expect them already up along the coastline, 9 o'clock in the morning, so bright early, and then we'll slowly push inland across that I-75 corridor through about noontime, and then further inland by 2 o'clock. I think much of the storm activity, though, will be out of our viewing area and off towards the east coast by about 4 o'clock, and quieter conditions continue in towards the evening hours. So if you're going to be making plans tomorrow evening, you should be A-OK to do that. The other reason we're looking at this today, all of our area, we're watching the potential for excessive rain. That now shifts with the potential for the rain moving off to the east coast. So I think we should be okay for any potential flash flooding or flood advisories tomorrow, but can't rule out still some heavier downpours mixing in there. In terms of the marine forecast tomorrow, we do expect seas right around 1 foot or less, light chopped at inland waterways. Just remember, the storms, we're going to start early, though ending early into the afternoon, so you could be running into those showers and storms until about midday or a little bit later than that if you are going to be taking the boat out. Speaking of rain chances through the week, I'm going to keep them right around 50% every single day. Now, the timing of those will change through the next several days, but we'll be watching that. Now, elsewhere in the tropics, watched Invest 98 today make landfall in South Texas, bringing flooding rain to many parts of there. Now, that's off the list. We're no longer watching that as it's now off the tropical maps, but we're watching a new area here tonight. The National Hurricane Center putting out a 10% chance on this guy just several hundred miles off to the southeast of Bermuda. Now, the thing with this, upper level winds really not conducive for much development. So again, I'm really not expecting much of this as it continues to drift off to the northwest. In terms of the tropics, though, remember though, we are heading towards the peak of season. We got another month to go until that peak on September 10th. So we just want to be prepared for that. 7-day forecast here again, watching those afternoon daily sea breeze storms there. I do expect though becoming a little bit more into the afternoon, more typical to that pattern we've seen the last couple of days, heading in towards next weekend.